Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, complete turnaround from yesterday. Sales pretty much quadrupled to $383.46 on 36 orders. As soon as I did my video from yesterday, I I had to send offers, or I sent offers. I sent about 200 offers, and then the sales started rolling in. So I don't know if that'll continue or not, but definitely a great turnaround. We'll go ahead and get into it here. This is a Navy ship, battleship USS Oregon, 1910s. I always pick these up when I find them. Usually 50 cents to $1 when I find them in the antique malls, stuff like that. But got $9.99 out of that one. This is a Navy rescuing a torpedo after practice by USS Utah, 1908. There's that. $7.99, and I think the same buyer bought those two, and they are going overseas. I haven't packed any of this up yet. I was late. I had some appointments this morning I had to get to, so I haven't packed anything. I wanted to get this video out first. Boyertown, Pennsylvania, Union House Hotel, 1869 for that. Next, large letter greetings from Boston. $2.99 for this card, and I think it's also going overseas. Arizona, Grand Canyon, from Bright Angel Trail, Fred Harvey. I don't list what's that thing place called? That's called the Grand Canyon, John. I don't usually list Grand Canyon cards unless it's a Fred Harvey card, and you can see Fred Harvey's stamp signature thing right there. And that brought in $10.99. Sold a Christmas card, Merry Christmas, children dancing around Santa Claus vintage, 1920s, 1930s. And that sold for $6.99. Loon Lake, New York, between Chestertown, Pottersville, New York, in the Adirondacks. And got $8.99 for that one. So $8.99. Next, this is World War I impact of a 38 centimeter grenade explosion, real photo. Where'd I get this? I don't remember, but got $15 off of it. This is dual view banner greetings from Durham, New Hampshire. Probably a generic scene, probably not even, pictures probably aren't even from New Hampshire, but got $6.99. World War I era sailor in uniform, real photo. And not sure where this one came from either, but $8. Same person bought 4 very similar cards, and I think they're also all going overseas. World War I era soldier in uniform. And I don't think I worked in AEF. I probably should have. Yeah, no, I did not. And $8 on that one. And I had a buyer come in and buy a whole bunch of exaggerated cards. This is exaggerated corn at Nebraska County Fair, real photo, 1910s. Majority of these are produced by Martin, I believe is the name. Yeah, right there across the top, Martin. And $12.99 for that card. Here's one, Nebraska exaggerated onions, also Martin. $12.99, and they also bought this one, large corn cob on horse-drawn wagon, exaggerated photo, also Martin. This is probably the most common view right here. $9.99 for that one. Painted Rock, Nevada, Sky Room Outhouses roadside attraction, so you can go poop on a mountain there. And that's $9.99. I'm not sure where that one came from either. Altoona, Pennsylvania, Railroad Horseshoe Curve, 1910s. Typically, Horseshoe Curve would probably end up in my quarter bin. So I don't even know why I listed this one, but got $4 out of it. Cats, kittens in a bit of old china basket. Articide E. Lander Tuck. So it's a Tux card. There's that. $5. Another kitty cat card. Middletown, New York. This is Old Home Week. Homecoming cats, kittens. And $7.50. I'm not sure if they do Old Home Weeks anymore. 1940s humor, dressed chickens. You ain't cheating. Busy person's card. That's what these are called. They're called busy person card, something like that. Time saver card. Pretty much a checklist of what you want to tell the folks back home. Pretty collectible. You know, this I only got $1.99 out of this, but I'll pick these up every once in a while. Let me see. Got a whole bunch of those that came in the auction of August of 2021. This is Lake Tahoe, California. Beach Scene, Zephyr, Cove, Bathers, Dock, and Pier. And I got $10.99 out of that card. Ipswich, Massachusetts, the Sand Dunes. Card's been up for 7-8 years, maybe longer. $6.99. New Hampshire, White Mountains, New Hampshire, Cats, Balloon, Baskets, Face, Moon. Now I just said, yesterday's video or 2 days ago, that I don't sell many New England states, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, stuff like that, and it seems like I've sold a decent amount of those recently. $10 for this one. I'm not sure if that's going to the same person who got the other cats or not. Easter wishes, Easter wishing you a happy Easter. Dutch Girl Bunnies, chicken or chicks. Looks like it's a tux. It is a tux. $6.99. Beverly, Massachusetts, Plant of United Shoe Machinery Company, 1907. And $9.99 for that card. Here's some more of those World War I cards that the buyer bought. I wrote AEF in this one, American Soldier, RPPC, real photo. And $11.24 for that one. And then this one, also AEF Soldier, $9.74. Next, anthropomorphic dressed chicks in car, Easter greetings. Also has some foxing on it, but it's a nice looking card. I'm not sure if it's a clap saddle or not. It could be, but I didn't call it that. $14.99 for that card. Another one of those patriotic Santa Clauses playing baseball. $2.99, and I still have probably 20 to 50 copies of each of those patriotic Santas I have. And $3 is pretty much the sweet spot for these. This is Native Canadians Grand Parade of Blackfoot Indians. And this one sold for $7. And same buyer bought this one, Scalp Dance Blackfoot Indians. And $7 for that one. Airplane. This is airline issue, Air Wisconsin de Havilland -7 prop jet. This did not come from the aviation cards I bought. This was from the auction of August 2011. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of them, and this one sold for $2.99. Now this one was weird because this sale was canceled. I accepted their best offer for $5. They then asked me what ME in church stood for, and I told them ME stands for Methodist, Episcopalian, or Episcopal. And then they asked to cancel the order, and I just, for S's and G's, I went and looked, and sure enough, this same church sold pretty much the exact same time I canceled their order. So I think they found a different card they wanted. But anyway, I canceled it, so that one doesn't count. This is a New Year, Happy New Year, girl, green coat, hand muffs, unsigned clap saddle. So I didn't see her signature on here, but that is definitely a clap saddle image. $10.99 for that one. Valentine, boy and dog, but I love somebody. Artist signed clap saddle. There's her signature. And this one sold for $10.19. Next. Oh, yeah, okay. They bought this one also. Sad boy and dog. Nobody loves me. Aww. Even the dog doesn't like him. Jeez. $10.19. And then someone bought a whole bunch of Route 66 cards. This is Williams, Arizona. The Williams Motel on Route 66. 1950s linen. And then they bought this one, also Winslow, Arizona, Desert Sun Motel, Route 66. I love it when you see these motel cards and the pool is just this algae green color. I wouldn't be swimming in it. $8.99. Williams, Arizona, Highlander Motel on Route 66. 1950s linen. And that one sold for $7.99. And then they bought this one, Kingman, Arizona, Skyline Motel, Route 66, 1950s cars. Back when you didn't have to have a fence around your pool. And that sold for $14.99. But they bought this one too, Albuquerque, New Mexico, De Anza Motor Lodge Motel, Route 66. Looks like it's the fifth one. I have many copies of this. And it sold for $6.99. Oh, yet one more. This is the Kingman, Arizona Travel Lodge, Route 66, 1950s cars swimming pool. I don't know how many people drove into that pool. You know it had to happen. $6.99 for that card. Harrisburg, Middletown, 3 Mile Island Fire Department. This is probably one of my very first postcard buyouts back 10 years ago. And I bought probably, I think it was like 40 or 50,000 cards, but there were probably 2,000 of this C. Moyer. I bought him, the guy I bought him from bought him the collection from this guy, the publisher. And I still have a whole bunch of them. But this is the, back when 3 Mile Island was site of a nuclear disaster. $4.99. I probably still have 20 copies of that card. I sold a CD for a whopping $3.99. A Hairspray soundtrack sealed. I think I probably paid, I don't know, 99 cents or $1.99 at the Goodwill probably 4 or 5 years ago. $3.99. Whippany, New Jersey, the Acres Rod Keller Restaurant. There's that, and $5.99. And the last card, Dundon, whatever, someplace in Florida, Vintage Main Street, Downtown Business District. There's that, and that sold for $7.99. Okay, that's it. Yeah, great rebound. Hope that stays, but I doubt it. But yeah, from $90 to quadruple up to $380. That's pretty darn good. So send those offers out, people. I sent out, like I said, almost 200 offers at 20% off, and some cards that had only been listed for maybe a month. I sent out 10% offers. So pretty good. Okay, thank you for watching.